Good morning children. Today we are starting 4th chapter of geography, mineral and power resources. In today's lesson we will learn what is mineral, types of minerals, extraction of minerals and distribution of minerals. What are minerals? Have you ever seen a baker baking a cake? The flour, milk, sugar, eggs are mixed together. While eating the cake, can you see these ingredients separately? Just as in the cake, there are number of things that you cannot see. Rocks on this earth have several materials called minerals mixed in them. These minerals are scattered throughout the earth's rocky crust. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. There are over 3,000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. The metallic minerals contain metal in raw forms. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or sign. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese and chromides contain iron. A non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metal such as gold, silver, copper or lead. The non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. Limestone, mica and gypsum are examples of such minerals. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. What is ore? Ore is a natural rock or sediment that contains one or more valuable minerals, typically metals, that can be mined, treated and sold at a profit. Ore is extracted from the earth through mining and treated or refined, often via smelting. The extraction of minerals means the extraction of ore. Ore is further refined to get mineral or metal. Extraction can be done by mining, drilling or quarrying. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach the mineral deposits that lie at great depths. This is called shaft mining. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Minerals are unevenly distributed throughout the world. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. Some are found in igneous rock, some in metamorphic rocks, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formations that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada, iron, nickel, chromides and platinum in South Africa are examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formations of plains and young-fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Limestone deposits of Caucasus region of France, manganese deposit of Georgia and Ukraine, and phosphate beds of Algeria are some examples. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in sedimentary strata. Now we will study the distribution of minerals around the world continent-wise. We will start with Asia. China and India have large iron ore deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. Minerals deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. The mineral deposits in North America are located in three zones: the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Coal in the Appalachian regions. Western Cordilleras have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are leading producers of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producer of tin. South America also has large deposits of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese and bauxite. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Africa is rich in mineral resource. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire produce a large portion of world's gold. The other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and manganese. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of variety of mineral deposits, some probably large. Significant size of deposits of coal in the Transantarctic Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountains of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver and oil are also present in commercial quantities. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay blessed.